Students, today we are going to see uh, again a very simple problem where you need to find out the value of current I supplied by the 12 volts battery. That is the problem. No? Determine the current I supplied by the battery. The battery is 12 volts. So it's very simple. Only why I am trying to solve this problem is at the first instant, if you see, it looks very complicated, like how to find out current I. Because if you use basic KCL, just taught this current will come here, then where it will go, how to divide, and all those. So I will try to show you how can we simplify this network into a very simpler one and determine the value of current I. Whenever you have a problem, when you feel always it's quite complicated, it's always better to mark the terminals, okay, or mark the points. That means, let us say, if this point I mark it as A, okay, just listen it carefully. So this point here also will be A. It's very clear because there is no elements. Already I have told many times in my previous lectures. There are no elements like inductor, capacitor, voltage source, battery, anything. They are the common points. Now, if you see here, this A point, from A point, this is coming here. And here you see there is a crossover. Crossover in the sense they are not shorted. Therefore, this point A is coming like this and it is meeting at this point. This point is also marked as A because there is no element between these two. It's just a wire kind of thing. Okay? So it is also point A. But this point cannot be A because between point A and this point you have a resistance. Therefore, definitely this point should be given some other name, that is point B. Now, if you look carefully, this point B here comes over crossover and it comes here B. Yes, because there is no element here. I can mark it as B. If this is B, then this point will also be B because there is no element between these 2 points. Therefore, now I know that there are only 2 points or 2 nodes A and B between which everything is connected. So let us try to simplify it and solve it. So this circuit I can further simplify. How? Let us first draw this 12 volts battery. Okay, again let us draw this 12 volts battery. Okay, this is my 12 volts battery. 12 volts. And between which points it is connected? Between points A and between points B. So from A and B, let us try to see. Between point A and B, if you see, between point A and B, if you see what I have one 4 ohm resistance here between points A and B. So I know that this point is also A, this point is also B. Obviously, because there is no element here. I just extended it up to this point. I have extended this to this point. So this is also A, this is also B. And the 4 ohms is connected between A and B. Therefore, I can draw that 4 ohm resistance like this. 4 ohms. This is done. Again, if you see properly, between point A and B, you have one more resistance. What is that? That is a 12 ohm resistance here. So again, if we want, you can extend this line like this. Again, I have extended. And then I have drawn this 12 ohms. Simple. And it is going up to which point? Point number B. So this is also 12 ohms. Again, if you see properly, there is one more resistance, that is 6 ohms. Where it is connected? Again, if you see the 2 terminals across it is what? A and B. Between point A and point B only you have 6 ohms. Therefore, again, if I extend this one here as point A, and this 6 ohms I can draw it here up to point B. Therefore, if you see now, that circuit has been replaced by a very simple circuit like this. And this is current I. See, only 2 points, na? A and B. So between A and B, everything, all elements are connected between A and B. So now you see, only 2 nodes, A and B, and all elements are connected across these 2 ohms. Now, if you look carefully, whether all 3 resistances are in series or parallel, it is very obvious that they are not in series. Why? Because this current I is supplied by the battery. This I can come up to here. At this point, obviously, it can divide here as I1. It can come out some current here, I minus I1. Then at this point node, it can go here as I2. Then here it can be I minus I1 minus I2. So all these 3 resistances are not carrying the same current. Therefore, they are not in series. What about the volt parallel? Obviously, you see, between the points A and B, the voltage is how much? 12 volts. between point A and B. So what is the voltage drop across 4 ohms? It is also connected between point A and B. 12 ohms is also connected between point A and B. 6 ohms is also connected between point A and B. And across point A, B, I know voltage is 12 volts. So all these three resistances will also have the same voltage drop of 12 volts. Because where is 12 volts? It is between the points A and point B. The voltage drop is 12 volts. This is also point A. This is also point B. Therefore, obviously, voltage drop here is 12 volts. This is also point A. This is also point B. Voltage drop is 12 volts. This is point A. This is point B. Voltage drop is 12 volts. Therefore, these whole resistances are in parallel. Therefore, the equivalent resistance R equivalent will be 4 parallel to 12 parallel to 6. So this, if you find out the equivalent resistance, you will get 2 ohms. I think you can find out the equivalent resistance. Therefore, this circuit can be replaced by a single resistance of 2 ohms, and this is 12 volts battery, and this is the current I. And what is the problem? You need to find out I. Therefore, current I equal to V, voltage, upon the resistance R. That is 6 amperes. Simple. So see how at the first instant you have found that this problem is very complicated. How I will solve it. Now you see within 2 steps we have found out the problem. Therefore, we always always try to mark name the labels, all the nodes with some name, and then it will be easy for you to do. Hope you like this video, and if you have any other queries, you can just put it in the chat box, or if you want to solve any other extra problem which you are not able to solve it, put it in the chat box. I'll try to solve it for you. So thank you.